Dyma'n nghwestiwn. Ysgwni.
A'r hast, mi ges fy arestio.
Mae'r holl beth ma'n flas cas fel cnoi baco.
Direidi gwydyr ydyw. Dihareb oes mewn dŵr byw.
Yn syni pawb a'i swnio'n digri fel madog dwy greu.
Mae'r weirdos ma mewn gwyrddau gwyn yn ffilmio Doctor Who.
Y math gyntaf o ffilm gath yr argraff fwyaf na i pan ni'n blentyn oedd y western. A un o'r heddi, wi wrth fy modd yn gwylio ffilmiau am y gorllewin gwyllt. Bych chi'n ddisgwyl, wi o goman. Ac yn yr adegau fi sy'n labro, nes i'n abod sawl cowboy pryd ni. Felly mae'r wers wad hyn o'n delio gyda'r genre hynna ohonyn nhw gyd, y western. Nawr, mae fans ffilmiau cowboy'n rhannu mynd i ddau garfan. Y rhai sy'n meddwl mae John Wayne yw brenin y gorllewin gwyllt, a rhai sy'n barnu mae Clint Eastwood yw'r gorau. A gai jyst weid, sawl sy'n cefnogi John Wayne, i chi'n hollol rong gyda llaw. Wedi'r cyfan mae clywed y diwc yn gweiddi, "Fill your hands, you son..." Ddim hanner mor cool a clywed Clint yn sibrwd, "My mule don't like it when you laugh at him."
You're from Cornwall, yeah, so have you ever wakeboarded or anything
I've never wakeboarded, actually. Yeah, I've seen it loads, like by my house, where I used to live in Cornwall. People used to do it all the time, but I've never done it myself. It's always been, I'd love to do it though.
Have you seen the size, like the jumps and stuff in the bay? They've got massive kickers and whatnot.
And it's like hitting concrete as well.
Yeah.
Gadwch fi'n hyd!
Mae yna bandiau'n chwarae cyn chi heno ar y llwyfan. Killer Keller yn un ohonyn nhw.
There are people in this world who don't think like you do, and they don't think like you do, and some don't think at all.
You played some rugby?
I did, yeah.
When you were in uni in Cardiff?
Yeah.
What position? Don't say hooker.
No, I wasn't a hooker.
Scrum half.
No, I wasn't.
What was you?
Guess what I was, come on.
Right, inside centre.
It's close, I was a centre.
Inside or outside? Which one? Can't remember, can you?
Just the centre I was.
Just a centre? 12 or 13?
Don't show my ignorance now. I was 12, I think. What's that mean?
That's inside centre.
I was a centre.
Os rowch rhai o'ch dynion i ni, fyddwn ni ddim yn ymosod arnoch. Ydyn nhw'n barod?
Roeddwn ni ddim. Dydyn nhw ddim. Fyddwn nhw ddim yn barod. Byddwch chi'n crynu gan ofn cyn i ni rhoi dim un o'n milwyr.
They came from the north to the south to the sea towards me. They came in search of new shoulders.
Ond fi wedi gweud nes blynydde, fi na i gan ni ddim yn siarad. Os chi moyn mynd i gwrando rhywun yn siarad, bych chi lecture neu rhywbeth, no?
Over salty sands, time to handbag your man's precious stones.
Wel, be chi'n neud jyst sefyll yna? Gwnewch rhywbeth! Diddannwch fi, entertain me now!
I've never done anything like this acting before, but it's great to be involved with like the team we have now.
My name is Sheila and I'm old Anne, who's a sort of old woman, a bit of a pain in the bum. My friend here is the Giant. I like to do my dancing.
playing Scotch? Hopscotch.
Yes.
Oh, that was a great game.
I like the aeroplane one.
Yeah.
That was.
We used to
I think
draw
it
it
was my favourite.
out with a chalk.
Mae popeth ni'n neud nawr, mae fe'n at bwrpas, a'r pwrpas hynny yw cau yn dy fe. Mi'n paratoi pethau i'r plant i fynd gytre gyda nhw, paratoi pethau maen nhw'n gallu rhoi i'r plant eraill, achos bydd rhai yn nhw'n gweld ei gilydd to, ond bydd rhai ddim. Bydden nhw ddim yn, achos bydd ddim yr ysgol yma i gadw nhw at ei gilydd. Mae'r holl bethau sydd yn yr ysgol, yr holl lyfrau a'r holl adnoddau, na gyd sy'n mynd trwy meddwl ni'n erw, reit, mae eisiau trefnu hwn, mae eisiau trefnu hyn, a just, dwi ddim yn dimlad neis. Beth sydd gyda ni gynta ar y daflen y te? Neu enw? Wel, ni gyd yn gallu rhoi yn enw yna.
Fy enw i yw Emily Mary Diggs. Fy enw i yw Caris Mary Stella Matthews.
Fy enw I yw Steffan ac rwy fachgen.
We start from under 8 all the way through to under 16s, and then we've got our reserve team, which is effectively an under 18s team. The idea of that is obviously to pick up the good local talent that is around, nurture them, help them develop, help them get better, and hopefully they can stick with us and we can take them all the way through. And eventually, like I say, it's a long-term plan. Eventually, we can have 11 lads out there from Rhyl, the best lads around who have come through the academy system and proved that it works.
Clean sheet. Come on, boys, come on. Keep a clean sheet, boys, we win the game. Come on, come on.
Mae Andrew Cahinden o ffeiriad egw yn nghefydd fwdw a fi ys un i weld mwyn cael dyfaliaeth personol I edrych i'n nyfodol.
Your ancestors say sometimes you doubt where you're going.
Yn y ganrif ddiwethaf, fe gath fwdw I dderbyn fel crefydd neu ffydd swyddogol yn America, ac wrth holi Andrew, fe ges wybod mae synwyr cyffredin a logic sydd wrth raidd I ffydd. A mon sioi i'r twristiaid yw doliau a peintio gwynebau a'r dawnsio gwyllt. Tipyn o wahanol i'r strydeb negyddol sydd I tyfu o gwmpas fwdw dros y blynyddoedd. Mae Caelilan newydd weithio I taw yr Zulis y siop hyn yw'n un o'r rhai hynna mwyaf authentic yn New Orleans. Achos mae popeth sy'n cael ei werthu fan hyn a ysbrydion yn rhan ohonyn nhw. Mae yna 2 rallor yn y siop I ddiolch yr ysbrydion am I helpu greu'r o'r trigyryddau. Yn fras iawn, ladies, body shop I wrachod.